This is a day in a life of being a scam king. Food scams are rampant. They're responsible for 99% of our sickness. Number one cause of death in the United States is doctor error. The other cause is food. Just people eating the wrong thing. So today, I'm taking you grocery shopping. I'm going to show you exactly what my body is designed to eat. Major mistake when you're grocery shopping, if you're overweight, if you're depressed, anxiety, tension, stress, the mistake is the food that you're eating. So you're going to notice when I grocery shop, I don't do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, put together meals because I can. I put together meals based on what my body's designed to eat. This is called the ancestral way of life, the ancestral diet. You're only going to do what you're designed to do, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm going to take you guys grocery shopping with me so you can learn how to eat again, because just because you can doesn't mean you should. So the lie is that all this is good for you, but the truth is, if you're from the British Isles like I am, Irish, English, Scottish, they had carrots, but they did not have potatoes 500 years ago. So the ancestral diet basically says that if you're from a certain area, it takes about 10 grandmothers or 500 years for you to become accustomed to or be designed to eat certain things, and these weren't around 500 years ago, so we can't eat them. Now on your diet, you may be able to, depends on where you are from the world, but like tomatoes I can eat, but I can't eat these. I can't eat, they just weren't around. Avocado trees weren't around. I can eat onions, they were around. Whatever grew in the British Isles 500 years ago, I can eat. So just because you think this stuff is good for you doesn't mean it's good for you if your body is not designed to eat it. So as advertised, fruits and vegetables are supposed to be the best thing that we can eat, but the truth is, if you didn't have that ancestrally, your ancestors didn't have that type of thing, your body's going to store it as inflammation and fat. You might as well eat a piece of chocolate cake. It's the same thing. So my people from the British Isles are actually Vikings. So we're designed to eat grass-fed beef, grass-fed and finished, like White Oaks, or from this Dakota, but it's got to say finished on it as well. So this is definitely a good brand. This is what I eat. So this is going to be for the next 1, 2, 3 days. 2 pounds of grass-fed meat will be my primary, because genetically this is what I'm designed to eat. I'm not designed to eat, Mexican on Monday. Tuesday will be Italian. Wednesday would be French. I'm just not designed to eat that way, and neither are you. You have to eat this way. So the rule is to eat like it's 500 years ago. Doesn't matter where you're from. And if you do that, 500 years ago, they didn't have bioengineered ingredients, which causes abnormal cells in the body, which we call cancer. So if you stay with that rule, eat like it's 500 years ago, by accident on purpose, you stay away from bad things. So this is going to be my side, right? It's GMO-free rice. Believe it or not, they did have rice, but they didn't have potatoes 500 years ago in the British Isles. So this is my go-to for my side. I carb up with this. So this is what I'm going to eat for the next 3 days. 2 pounds of meat any way I like, right, per day. That's my main, with jasmine rice for the next 3 days with 5 gallons of water. So my bill just got cut way down. Now you're going to say, is that all he's going to eat? But the truth is, when you eat ancestrally, you're never hungry. That craving goes away, and you're just a different person. So I always do this when I come. So 240 on the nose, fully dressed. Haven't eaten yet today, just protein. And 53, 8-pack of abs, 20-inch arms, 54-inch chest, 29-inch waist, 32-inch thighs. Right there. That's the diet I'm on. So the key for me to be healthy once again was ancestral living. And it was the Ancestral diet that brought me down 100 pounds, that made me super healthy at 53. It was just logic. You just eat what your body's designed to eat. No more, no less. Unfortunately, society's taught us otherwise, that you could just eat whatever. And nothing could be further from the truth. You're not designed to eat Mexican food if your people were not in Mexico 500 years ago. So I think I've driven the point home. If you want more ancestral living, please follow me on all of the platforms, and you will just have a better, happier life, and you'll be at peace and have a good sense of being. You'll be at ease. All right? I hope to see you.